Have you ever wondered if you can make money online? Imagine the moment you earn your first $100. It's not just about money. It's proof you can succeed. It shows that AI can work for you and that you can create income easily. Once you earn that first $100, your mindset shifts. Instead of asking, "Is this possible?" you'll ask, "How do I grow?" But getting to that first $100 is tricky for beginners. Many watch videos but struggle to find clear steps. Today, I'll make it straightforward. I'll guide you through the exact roadmap to make your first $100 online using AI. Simple steps. No theory. Just actions you need to take. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech, your go-to channel for practical AI strategies. If you haven't subscribed yet, do that now. We share new videos daily. Let's dive into your roadmap. First, you need to pick a method. This is where most beginners get stuck. Choose one method and stick with it. Here are 3 quick ways to earn your first $100 with AI. 1. AI freelance writing on Fiverr. Write blogs, product descriptions, or captions. 2. Selling a digital product on Gumroad. Create a simple digital product like templates or checklists. 3. AI-powered social media management. Manage social media using AI to automate posts. All 3 methods can help you reach $100 within a week, but you must choose one. For today, let's focus on AI freelance writing on Fiverr. It's easy, cost-effective, and fast. Next, you need to set up your Fiverr profile. Visit Fiverr and create a free account. Use a clear username. Complete your profile with a professional photo or logo, a description. You can ask AI for help with this. Relevant skills, content writing, blog writing, copywriting, and SEO writing. A complete profile attracts more clicks, so take time to do this right. Now it's time to create your first Fiverr gig. This is your service listing. Start by clicking Create a New Gig. Follow these steps. Choose a catchy gig title using AI for ideas. Select writing and AMP translation, articles and AMP blog posts as your category. Set your prices, basic at $10, standard at $25, and premium at $50. Write a compelling gig description with AI's help. Add proper tags and design a gig image via Canva. Publish your gig, and your service becomes visible on Fiverr. Next, you'll write your first article using AI. When a client places an order, follow this process. 1. Gather details from the client, topic, audience, and preferred tone. 2. Use AI to generate a detailed article based on their instructions. 3. Edit the article to personalize it. 4. Deliver the polished article on Fiverr. You can complete this process in 20 to 30 minutes. Now, you need to get your first order. Many newcomers wait for orders, but that won't work. You must actively seek clients. Here's how. 1. Use Fiverr buyer requests to find potential buyers. 2. Join Facebook groups for small business owners and promote your services. 3. Reach out to small business owners on LinkedIn with a brief, friendly message. Combine these strategies to land your first order quickly. After your first delivery, push for a 5-star review. This step is crucial. A good review boosts your visibility on Fiverr significantly. Here's how to ensure a perfect review. Deliver work ahead of schedule. Provide more than expected. Include a personal note with delivery. Follow up with a message asking for feedback. Now let's look at how to reach that first $100. With your pricing tiers, consider these options. 4 basic orders, $40, plus 2 standard orders, $50 equals $100. 2 standard orders, $50, plus 1 premium order, $50, also equals $100. 2 premium orders at $50 each get you to $100. With daily marketing, achieving $100 in 5 to 10 days is realistic. Once you earn your first $100, don't stop. Now's the time to scale up. Increase your prices by 20 to 30% as you get reviews. Introduce add-on services to boost your earnings. Create a second gig and reach out to previous clients for more work. To recap, here's your complete roadmap to your first $100 with AI. 1. Pick one method, AI freelance writing on Fiverr. 2. Set up a complete Fiverr profile. 3. Create your first gig with 3 pricing tiers. 4. Build your AI writing workflow. 5. Market actively through various strategies. 6. Deliver perfectly to earn that 5-star review. 7. Reach $100 with consistent orders. 8. Scale up with higher prices and add-ons. That's your system. Your only task today is to take action. Open Fiverr now. Create your account and write that profile description using AI. Which step will you start with today? Comment below. I want to hear from you. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech for daily fresh AI strategies and opportunities. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out. Tomorrow's video will change your perspective on AI and income. What step are you starting today? Let me know below.